everyone, it's Lisa from Prism Planner, and welcome back to my channel for another video, another plan with me, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Please stick around, I'd love to have you. Today we're going to be memory planning in my Erin Condren for the week of November 5th through the 11th using this Autumn Air photo kit by Sticker Insanity. I may be wrong, but I feel like this was like her first photo kit. I don't know, like honestly, I'm trying to look through previous, I don't know. It might not have been, but I kind of think it was. Anyway, but I think that this is a gorgeous kit, and I was super excited to use it. It's just unfortunate that it had to be like a memory kit because I really wanted to. I wish I could have looked at this all week, but yeah. So I mean, it's still gorgeous, but yeah, I just had to. I couldn't look at it all week like I would have liked to. But the reason for that, in case you're curious why I'm memory planning this week, which I will get into in a moment. But first, I wanted to show you guys my Halloween week, since normally when I do a plan with me, I show you guys my previous week, and you never got to see this one since I never, I'm just sitting down to film the 5th through the 11th. So that is how that turned out. That kit's by Dash of Sun Designs. Super pretty. Love all the foil. By the way, I apologize for my voice because it definitely sounds weird and I can hear it. Also apologize if you can hear any noise in the background. My son's home and he's watching TV. So anyway, the reason that I am memory planning this week, in case you don't follow me on Instagram, is because I planned on filming this video as a plan with me, just like a regular plan with me, on the 4th. But first, the whole family was kind of helping clean the house because on Sundays we do our little cleaning day, and so we were giving the dog a bath, and he got really freaked out by the water, and I was the one who was hosing him down while my husband was kind of like holding him because he's just really freaked out about water. So since I was hosing him down, he was like really snappy, and I guess I got too close and he bit my finger, and so it was pretty painful, and he like ripped off half of the nail polish and it was bleeding and all this stuff. So it was too painful for me to, use my finger to plan because it was on my right hand. So I am right-handed. Yeah, so it was just too painful for me to film. And I work Monday through Friday, so I didn't have time to sit down and film and, everything. So I just figured I would do this as a memory plan with me. So that is also why this video is a bit more sped up and shorter than my normal, sped through voiceovers, because it's just, a memory plan with me. So not too much going on really. By the way, I always forget to mention this like right off the bat, but links for Sticker Insanity, all of the shops that I use in this spread, as well as any discount codes that I have, are all linked in the description box, or, so check there if you want to see specifically, if I mention I got this here, and you want to go to that shop, then click that. But otherwise, if you just have a question or whatever, just leave me a comment because I'm really friendly and I will answer your questions, your comments, whatever. Anyway, I used to PR for Sticker Insanity, and me and Stephanie, the owner Stephanie, our favorite color is pink. So I thought it was super cool how she incorporated a little bit of pink in this fall spread. So I love those date covers that have the leaves, but then there's like a little bit of pink in them. By the way, she just announced on social media that she is expecting. I am so happy for her. So please go over to her Instagram or her Facebook or whatever and just say congratulations on your little bun in the oven. Anyway, moving on, these are some leftover glitter headers that I had sitting around from Wild Summer Designs, and I thought that this like tannish color would look very nice with this spread. And then these bow clear header overlays in gold foil are from Cozy Paper Co., which I do PR for and have a discount code, Lisa15. And this was actually one of her special $1 Wednesdays. It was actually, for the clear paper, it's $1.25, but still such a good deal. You can get these like small sheets like this. If it's her premium matte foiled paper, it's only $1. And if it's the clear foiled paper, it's $1.25. So still like super amazing deal. And you can't use my code, but you can just put Lisa in the notes and you'll get my freebie if you do want to purchase a $1 Wednesday. Anywho, then these headers are from Rose Colored Days, and these are her old paper, which is like glossy. Now she uses premium matte as well. But these are just like from an Oops grab bag I got a long time ago, and they have this pretty rose gold like leaf or whatever pattern. I thought, it was pretty fall, and then plus that dark purplish maroon color or whatever. Also matches the kit pretty well. And then this overlay with the cute bow and the border is by Cozy Paper Co. as well, with the gold bow there. And then I'm going to skip the sidebar for now because usually I would put my like to-do list and my little grateful tracker and stuff, but this week already passed, so nothing to track. Anyway, moving on to Monday. So I used a like skinny label and then a little $sign in gold foil from Rose Color Days with the Nikki collab sampler. Because I had a bill due, and then I was just whiting out some stuff down there because like I always tend to like smear my nail polish on my planner. It's annoying. Anyway, but moving on to Tuesday, I used a half box and an important script in gold foil from Rose Color Days since it was election day and my husband still needed to go vote, and he did end up voting on the very last day. And then I used a glitter appointment label and a half box down at the bottom of the day for school, and I used a bow from Binks and Bones, which I do PR for, Lisa 15 for that to save. Then I used another glitter label for Wednesday, and then another half box again for school, for like my school stuff, with another bow just to keep it consistent from Binks and Bones. And then I realized I forgot I wanted to put my sticker bloom stickers on all of these glitter labels. So I have the no school for Tuesday, Wednesday, because there's no school on those days. And then that glitter label at the bottom there was for a school conference because we had like parent-teacher conferences. So I used a My News Addiction time dot there to mark the time, which was like, 3:30? Yeah. For that. Anyway, then I used another skinny label, and then for my nails, and I used these cute little bow dividers that come in Sticker Insanity's kits. And then I used my gold foil nail icon from Magic Prince Co. for painting my nails because I painted my nails on that day. And I used another bow divider because I just love those glitter bow dividers. I have to use all of them. The kits always come with 3 and I have to use all of them. Anyway, moving on to Thursday. So I started the day with another half box because I have assignments due on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And then another Binks and Bones bow, and I was a savage and totally ripped it in half because I'm not careful, but I was able to squish it right on there and you can't even tell. Normally I feel like for a plan with me, I wouldn't put my school stuff in, but like at the same time, I don't know, it kind of helps me if I want to like flip back to my weeks and be like, what was due on this day? I don't know. Anyways, and then I grabbed another little label and an asterisk from Rose Color Days in gold foil to mark the TPC sale began on that day. And then I took a glitter label with another My News Addiction timestamp because my son had a doctor appointment. And then I took the quarter box at the bottom of the day to mark that my son was at his dad's house. And then as you can see, that little trash can there for the middle one was because it was Trash Eve. Those dad's house scripts are from Cozy Paper Co. as well. So I always use those to mark whenever my son is in his dad's custody, when he's normally supposed to be in mine. And that's because he just took him for the weekend camping. And then that trash icon was from Magic Prince Co. as well. And then I was all over the place. I apologize. I remembered I had some $2 Tuesday stickers from Sticker Insanity. So I just layered this 5mm Simply Gilded washi as a little background and then put the $2 Tuesday in Tuesday because I had some room, and then the stickers matched the spread with the color yellow and stuff. So I was like, why not? Starting on Friday, I took another skinny label and then another one of those little money stacks from the Nikki sampler with Rose Color Days because I had another build in. And then I have these beautiful little flags that are from Station Stickers. So I grabbed this bluish one from a certain colorway like Forest or something. And then that little mini flag is from like a Wild Summer Designs like monthly kit that I had left over. So they're both pretty foiled flags and both the colors match the kit really well. And I layered them for like, a cool looking effect. And then I took a Nikki squiggle from Rose Color Days in gold, and then a Payday script from Rose Color Days in gold as well from the Nikki sampler. That's a Nikki squiggle and then Nikki's handwriting, because it was payday. And then again, I did another bow divider, and I used my pentagons with the overlay too, with a little heart, because I was pre-planning on Friday. I'd like to pre-plan at work since I have time and they don't care. They actually don't care. And then I had to move everything up a little bit because I wanted to squeeze in a half box. So that's for a ramen date night that I had with my husband and then his coworker and his wife. So I used another Rose Color Days like date night script and one of her little fork and knives that came in this little sampler you keep seeing where I got the important script and the date night. Those are all from her like she has this like big like $5 sampler. And I also ripped the Dad's House. I was just not careful with my stickers this week, y'all. But anyway, so start on the top of Saturday, I used another Dad's House from Cozy Paper Co. This time I used the green one instead of the blue. So my son was with his dad on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, but I ran out of room. I forgot to put it in for Thursday, but I figured if I just put it on the day he picked him up and then the last day that he had him, it would make sense to me. So that's what I did. Then I took a My New Addiction gold foil triple arrow and then a Cozy Paper Co. camera icon because on Saturday I filmed the next week's Plan With Me. And then I'm taking another Simply Gilded washi and then a Family Time script from Cozy Paper Co. So look at all that. I got the 2 scripts and then the camera all from Cozy Paper Co. right there. Because on Saturdays we always go to my family's house, my in-laws, for our little family time, and it's perfect that it's pink because there is a little pink in this spread. And then I'm taking the Nikki Hey Girl and the Heart that was drawn by Nikki with the Rose Color Days freebie, and then the little fork and knife because I had a brunch with some really old friends I haven't seen in like 5 years. Actually old coworkers, and it was really nice to see them again. And then the little Nikki bow from the sampler again was to mark that my son came home, so I just used a little tiny label for that. And then I just took another half box and used a Veterans Day and a Nikki squiggle since it was Veterans Day on the 11th. And that one is black because it's a non-foiled script from Rose Color Days. She offers them in her whenever she does like an oops grab bag, sometimes she'll do a non-foiled oops or whatever. So that I just used that one because I wanted to use the actual foiled one that I have for the 12th because that was Veterans Day observed. And then I used a Rose Color Days gold foiled weekend banner over my pretty little weekend washi weekend banner down there. I don't know why I decided to do it on the bottom. I guess I was like, well, if I don't like it, I don't have to stare at it all week, so why not try something new? And it was okay. I also put some of those little tiny to-do scripts from Sadie stickers over the Binks and Bones bow, so there was like a little bit more layering there and a lot of it looked cute. Then I used a couple of quarter boxes on Monday because it was just too open for me. I didn't like how there was that huge like white space right there. Sorry, y'all. My voice is going and I just had a coughing fit and I'm so sorry. It's cracking a lot. I don't know what's wrong with me. Anyway, yeah, so those 2 quarter boxes were just for some, it was actually, I figured I would just use canceled stickers over them because both of those things were in my original plans but didn't happen. So the first one was for uploading my Plan With Me, which obviously didn't happen because I didn't plan this week. And then the second thing was that we were going to go to the library, but my son had a bad day, so we didn't. So those were legitimate plans that I did have in my Plan With Me, but we just didn't do. So I ended up using like canceled stickers over them when I wrote in what they were for. And that is about it. I just used some more Simply Gilded and some like layering with the pretty leaves from the like washi strips in the kit. And yeah, and then I have these new Grateful For stickers, scripts from Cozy Paper Co. that I just thought I would kind of like journal in the sidebar a little bit what I was grateful for that week. And all of these colors honestly match this kit really well, but I decided on the like purpley grape one or whatever. Anyway, I really hope that you enjoyed my Plan With Me. Oh, and then there's a heart from the sampler. The Nikki sampler, I use that one a lot. Obviously, I used a lot of Cozy Paper Co. and Rose Color Days in this spread. But anyway, I love these shops and sticker insanity too. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this Plan With Me. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more videos and hope y'all take care. See you next time. Bye.